This is the OKELI Clear Ceiling Fan that comes with lights as well. This is how the packaging looks. It comes with a manual and some clear instructions how to assemble it all together and how to put it on your ceiling. It comes with three 52-inch blades, a hanger bracket, some tools, a download assembly, the fan motor assembly, a canopy, a LED light kit, and a light shade for the light kit, and two different types of remotes. And let me demonstrate you how to build this. Here's my husband. Screws the hanger bracket onto the ceiling, screws the shorter down rod assembly, and then uses a canopy to put on there. And then after that, the fan motor assembly. And after that, blade and screwing the light kit and shade on top, and then you're done. This took no more than 30 minutes, and it has 3 different light mode switches. There are 2 remote switches that you can use that have 6 speeds for your fan. This ceiling fan is good for your patio, living room, or your bedroom. Overall, I recommend this ceiling fan to anyone who's looking for one, and this is the best one out there for you.